Hi everybody, Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. This quick video, I'm going to go over the Black Friday specials that we have. We still have safeguard trades available where we have hedges with puts on futures. We also have the lifetime membership that includes all services. And we're going to add on a Black Friday deal on stock only service. It'll be a 1 year service at a significant discount to the other alert services. So if you're just starting out on option selling, this might be the one for you. I'm going to go over how the alerts are set up and the recent results from this year. Let's get right to it. All right, for the stock-based Black Friday sale, you'll be getting access to the Discord where you get the following trade alerts. First one is option trades. These are longer dated put credit spreads. They typically go anywhere between around 25 days to 45 days out. I'll enter them during lunch, so really easy to enter in that day, or you can even enter the next morning and still be okay getting very similar fills. Look at put credit spreads again a month out or so, looking at really far out of the money strikes. So for instance, if you had HCA was at 246.74. We sold a 225 put, bought the 220 put. So pretty far out of the money, looking at technical analysis on stocks that are able to have a positive momentum or might be oversold and could recover. And we can access to those. We do 0 DTE on SPX. These I enter in about 30 minutes after open and they expire the same day. So if you're a little bit more active, you could take advantage of these. We'll either do iron condors where you sell the put and call credit spreads. You can also do one-sided. If the market's bullish, we'll do a put credit spread. If the market's bearish, we do call credit spreads. Typically look for around 1.5% to 2% per trade on these. And then you also get access to the 3-month SPY. This is 3-month out trades. You could easily enter these a day or two after I alert them. So no real rush entering these trades. And we look at about 5-6% a month on these, really far out of the money. For instance, SPY at 437. We sold a 390 put. We sold a 470 call. So really far out of the money. You also get access to the member chat. So you could look at individual questions that we go over. Under closed trades, I'll post whenever I close individual trades that you're getting alerted on. So you could close as well at those same times. I'm in a pretty good win streak recently with all these closed trades, no stop outs in about a month and a half. So doing really good on the put credit spreads. I'll show you some of the data from the credit spreads. These are the longer dated ones. You can see you'll get access to the spreadsheet too. It gets you the stock, when we sold it, expiration date, get your stock price, get your strike prices, and when we're selling our put credit spreads. A width, usually it's 5 widths, so $500 per trade. There's a running tally of what the current price is. It updates every 15 minutes. You'll see the premium we collected, the delta, that's the approximate chance that it might actually stop out on us. You'll notice a lot of these are very low deltas, so very highly probable chances of working. Let's say where I buy to close them, we typically look around 3 to 5% per trade, and the average trades are about anywhere from 5 to around 20 or so days. If you look at the average return for the year so far, 2.5% per trade and 12.23 days in the trade. So again, about 2 weeks, a little over, you can make 2.5%. This includes the stop outs as well. So I do count the losses as part of these averages, and we're at a 90.1% win rate. And 9 out of 10 trades, you're going to make about 3 or 4%. And about 1 out of every 10 trades, you will stop out. You could be losing 4 to 6% on those, but it averages out to a really good return per year. 0 DTE, same idea. You can see stock prices, where we sell them, the delta. The VIX is the approximate chance that could move very dramatically. And then you show the premiums and the outcomes. 3-month SPY, same idea. We do these once every month, so you'll have plenty of time for them to close out. Just 1 loss this year, but quite a few winners, and we're on a good streak right now. So if this is interesting for you, feel free to join the link down below this video, and we'll be running this until Monday. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Happy trading, and happy Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and I'll see you guys in the next video.